Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Equals and Hashcode. On this channel, I will try to focus on topics related to data engineering, whether it is big data, PySpark, SQL, Python, Java, and many more. I will take up SQL problems usually asked in the interviews and solve them using the PySpark. The problems will be taken from platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and others. I will solve them in Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm. So let's get our hands dirty. So today's problem is very widely asked problem, and that is the find the nth highest salary from the table. Now let's solve this thing in PySpark. And I'll be using Jupyter Notebook for this problem. And for that, I have to import this find a Spark module and run the init on it so that Jupyter finds the Spark. And then I have to create a Spark session. And I will be giving the app name and the master. And the master here will be local because I'm running from my computer. And let's look into the data. So we have the schema here that it has two columns. One is ID and the other one is the salary. Now for data, what I have done is I have created tuples and passed them into a list. So each tuple will be containing the ID element and the second element will be the salary element. Now using the create data frame method, I'm creating the data frame wherein I'm passing the data and the schema. And let's see this data frame. So this is actually the first time this notebook is running on my laptop. So it will take a bit of time because it is trying to initiate a Spark. And so you can see at the bottom of the screen here, it's trying to initiate a Spark. And now soon the stages will be running here. Yeah, so the stages are running and here we go. We have our data frame. So our data frame contains two columns. One is the ID, another is the salary. So there are a few columns which are duplicate here, like 25,000. It appears twice. One is for the ID 1001, 1009. Again, like we have 36,000 here. Similarly, it appears again for 1006 and 1002. So now let's look at the next part of the problem. So I'll be using window functions in this. There are other approaches as well, but let's look into this problem using window functions. And what approach I have taken is I'll be creating one more column and then attaching the dense rank output of on that particular or salary column onto that column, then ordering it by descending order, and then we'll be applying a filter on that. So for that, we need to create a window spec. Now, since our window function will be running on the whole data frame, so we will not have any clause in the partition by. We can even remove this partition by from here and directly we can have the order by clause here. But let's keep the partition by and see. Now within the order by, we'll be putting the column on which we'll be applying the dense rank function. So it will be the salary here, and we are putting it in the descending order because we are here to find the highest salary. So now we have got our window spec here. Now we have to create another data frame. So in this data frame, what we are doing is we are adding another column into the previous data frame and calling it salary rank. We are applying the dense rank over this particular window spec. So let's create this data frame here. So here we have our data frame, and this is the ID and the salary and the salary rank. Now you see this is ordered in a descending way, wherein we have the highest salary, that is the 86,000, and it has the rank as 1. So if someone asks what will be the third highest salary, so 86, 75, we go to 45. This has the rank as 3. Now, if we have duplicate salaries, in that scenario, what we are trying to do is we expect both the employee IDs and the salary. Like for example, we have 25,000 twice for 1001, 1009. So since we have used dense rank, so it will be providing same rank and it will not be skipping the ranks here. So we are expecting both these rows in the output. So let's find it. Let's find the fourth highest salary. So what I have done in the next cell is I am taking the N as the user input. Then I will be filtering, applying a filter on this salary rank column using the N, where salary rank will be equal to N, and then show. So let's run this thing. So here I press 4 and now it is running. We'll be having the fourth highest salary. So 36,000 is the fourth highest salary here. Now see, 36,000 is here, now fourth highest salary. So this is our output. I will commit this code on my GitHub account in both Notebook and Python files. I will also provide the link in the description box. Please let me know in comments what are the ways you can solve this problem. Also do comment the next problem that I can solve on this channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you. Thank you very much.